You're on.
Take off my jacket here.
Alrighty.
All right, let's see if anybody can beat my time.
He says he's gonna do it in 2 minutes. Through all the windows. Anybody else want to put him for the? Anybody else want to put him for the test? 2 minutes. Anybody got clock? Stop. Anybody got stopwatch? I can't stop him.
I got stopwatch.
All right.
You gonna do all these?
In 2 minutes.
In 2 minutes.
All right.
Should I put on the gunslinger?
No, you don't.
All right. Let me know when you're ready.
All right.
All right. Are we ready? Set. Go.
All right. Time's going.
Business spot.
Hopefully work from this spot.
Do not try this at home.
Say, do not try this at home.
Just take your time.
Nice to have a
You ain't
better
looking good on your
ball.
time yet. 30 seconds in. And guys, he said if he didn't do this, he was going to give everybody $100 as well. This spot. All right, you're a minute in.
All right, a minute in, huh?
That's what I'm talking about. Uh-oh.
Oh, we're getting a little sticky here.
Spit on it. Yeah, I'm still wrong.
Let's see how fast you get it in, though.
So, in other words,
All right, I got this. We got your last one.
Yeah.
I mean, do I have to clean the frames too, or
Yes.
what?
Ah.
All right.
220. Or two what? 215? 220. That's a good job, bro.
Again, you get 2 minutes.
That's a good job, man.
Yeah, I probably could.
Yeah, that's a good job, man.